Welcome wherever you are. Today we want to look at KPSEA Mathematics, the year 2024. Remember to subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you very much. Let's go and look at KPSEA 2024. Question number 1. Jackson read the number Jackson read the following number on a chalkboard. This number. What is the number in words? What is the number in words? So the number. So for you to write this number in words correctly, rewrite it and then make sure you divide the number three digits from the left. 76, 85, 9. So from here, just count 1, 2, 3, put a comma here. So this tells you this is 76,859. 76,859. That is, the answer is B. So the trick was just where you're supposed to divide this number as I have shown you. If the number is very long, so they will write a number like this. It is not easy for you to say this number whether it is 1,000 million. So what you do, you divide it. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Now you can be able to see that this is 4,568,967. A bakery sold 42,9765 loaves of bread in a year. What is the total value? Total value of digit 7. So total value. So the total value in this number, let us write the number down. 42,9765 3. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So this digit 7 is 1,000. So it is 7 times 1,000, and that gives you 7,000. So this is the total value of that. 7,000. A teacher wrote the square root of numbers on the chalkboard, which formed a pattern as shown. So root 121, root 144, root 169, root 196. So you can see the teacher was squaring 11. So this is the square root of this one is 11. The square root of 144 is 12. The square root of 169 is 13. The square root of this is 14. Then the next one was with the square root of 15, which is 225. I mean, the first one was the square of 11, the square of 12, which is 144, the square of 13, which gives you 169, the square of 14, which gives you 196. So the square of 15 was the next, and it is square root 225. A rolly stopped on a weighing scale. The reading on the weighing scale was this. What is the number rounded off to the nearest thousands? Rounding off of numbers. 8501. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So once we reach here where we have the 1,000, look at the number that is in front. If the number is greater than is 5 or greater, then it will increase this number by 1. If it is not, if it is less than 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, it will not increase. But this, since it is more than 5, it is 5, it will increase this number by 1, and the answer will be 9, 0, 0, 0. There are 52 classrooms in a school. Each classroom had 36 learners. How many learners were there in the classroom? So one class has 36 learners. 52 classes will contain how many learners? So it is 52 times 36. So put the 36 down here and multiply. 12 times 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 5, 30 plus 1, 31. This the one we carried. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 5, 15 plus 15. So let's add now. 2, 7, 8, 1. So the total number of learners is 1872. Look at this diagram. This is a right angle triangle. As you can see, this is a triangle and this is a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. The area of a triangle is a half base times edge. So we will do it separately and then add. So area of the triangle is a half times base. The base is 16 times the height, which is 12. So this was here once, was here 6. So we have 16 times 6, 6, 9. So 96. Then the area of the rectangle is length times width, which is equal to 40 times 20. And this gives us 800. So 800 plus 96 will give us the total area. So the total area for this figure is 896. During a race, the recorded times 3 runners was this, there's that. Arrange the small numbers in descending order. Descending means from small to biggest. Smallest to the biggest. So we want to look at which one is the smallest. So 9.5, 9.5, all of them is 9.5. Then let us now consider the third number. So the third number, 5 is smaller. So this is the smallest. Followed by this is 7 and this is 8. So the smallest is 9.55. 9.55 followed by 9.57. 9.5 and then finally 9.587. So the answer is D. The answer is D. D or yeah, the answer is D, number 7. A woman group had one of 1,055 goats in a ranch. They shared the goats equally among 24 members. How many goats remained after sharing? So if they had 1,455, they shared among 24. So we take 4 4 times this is 96. Now borrow 1 from here, 15. 15 minus 6, it is 9. Bring this 5, 5. So take 3, which is 72. 2, 6, 7. What is remaining? 3, 2. 23 remains. So the question, how many votes remained after sharing? The one that remained is 23. Number 9, a tailor had a piece of cloth measuring 17 meters and 50 centimeters. He cut the cloth into 5 equal pieces to make trousers. What was the length of each piece in centimeters? So first you need to know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we can change 17 meters, which will be 1700. Then we add 50 to get 1750 centimeters. Now divide by 5. So 1750 divided by 5, because they were 5 equal. Take 3, which is 15. Here will remain 2, 5. Take 5, which is bring 0, 0. So the answer is 350. We are moving on well. We are moving on well. Ali and Baraza shared a loaf of bread. Ali ate 2 over 5, while Baraza ate 1 over 4 of the bread. What fraction of the bread remained? So here, this one ate 2 over 5, and the other one ate 1 over 4. So let's see the total they ate. LCM is 20. 20 goes here 4 times 4 times 2, 8. Plus 20 goes to 4, 5. So this is 13 over 20. So the whole bread is 20 over 20 minus 13 over 20. The one be 8. So what is remaining is 7 over 20. 7 over 20 remained. Number 11. Sheila had 0.2 kg of tea leaves in her cupboard. She used the 0.06 after of the tea leaves to make tea. She calculated the fraction of the tea leaves as follows. What is the answer as a percentage? Now that is 0.3. The answer is 0.3 times 100. So 1 decimal, we finished the decimal, so the answer is 30%. A salesman traveled 2 over 5 of his journey by rail, 1 over 3 of his journey by matatu, and 4 over 15 of the journey on foot. What fraction of the journey was traveled by rail and matatu? So rail is 2 over 5. We add that of the matatu, which is 1 over 3. We get the total. Take 15 as the LCM. 15 goes to 5 3 times is 6. Plus 15 goes to 3 5 times. 5 times 1, 5. So the journey traveled by rail and method 2 is 11 over 15. A jeweler measured the diameter of a wedding ring and found it to be 20 millimeters. What is the diameter of the ring in centimeters? So this one I will remind you is Kenya has dark main dams containing magic. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meters, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeters. So how many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. You can see from here up to here is 1, so that is 10. Therefore, 20 millimeters will contain how many centimeters? So it is 20 times 1 divided by 10. So it is 2 centimeters. A cuboid of length 30 with it filled, cuboid is full of detergent. How many liters of detergent are in the cuboid? Volume is equal to length times width times height. So 30 times 15 times 40. And this one will be 18 centimeters cube. So we need to have in liters. But you need to know that 1,000 centimeters cube is equal to 1 liter. So what about 18,000 centimeters cube? What will be the number of liters? That is 18. You divide by 1,000. That is 18 liters. It is 18 liters. A cement factory had 80 tons of cement. They packed the cement in 50 kilograms bags. How many bags of cement were that? So remember, 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. So what about 8 tons? That is 8,000 kilograms. So they divided by 50. 0, 0. 800 divided by, so you can put it 800 divided by 5. Take 1, which is 5. Here remains 3, 0. Put it 0 here. Take 6, which is 30. 0, bring another 0, 0. 160. It will be 160. Procure bought a dress for shilling 700 from a supermarket. She gave the cashier a 1,000 note. She received the balance in several notes of shilling 50 each. How many 50 notes did she receive? So 1,000 minus 700. The answer is 3. The balance is 300. The balance is 300, but he was given a change of 50 notes, so divided by 50. So you will get 6 notes. 6 notes of 50 shillings. A cooperative society imported 4 tons of 50 kilograms of fertilizer. It distributed 2 kg or 90 kilograms to farmers. How many kilograms that is made? So there we need to, we can change 4 tons. 4 tons is the same as times 1,000, which is 4,000 kilograms plus 500. 4,500 kilograms. So you subtract 2,900 kilograms, because 2 tons, that is the same as 2,000 kilograms plus 900, that is 29. 0, 0. 5, this is 14. We are subtracting 15 minus 9, that is 6. So we will remain with 1,600 kilograms. Now spent shillings this to cultivate cabbage. They sold all of the cabbages for shilling this. How many profit did they make? So they used 6,000. They made a profit up to 900. They sold this. So the profit is 93. 800 subtract 6, 450. 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 13 minus this, 9. 8 minus 2. We borrowed 1 here. So, okay. 5, this is 13. We borrow 1 here to make it 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Here we remain with 8. 8 minus 6, 2. The table shows travel table for bus Kambani, Mombasa, Nairobi. How long does the journey take the bus to take from Mtito one day to Nairobi? So departure and arrival. Departure ni wakati gari inaanza. So Mtito one day the gari starts from there. It departs, inatoka huko at saa 8:45 na inafika, arrival ni kufika Nairobi 6:30. So 6:30 we can say 6:30 minus the time ilianza 2:45. Borrow 1 hour from here and make this to be 90 minutes. 90 minus 45, the answer is 45. So here we have 45. We borrowed 1 hour from here to make this 190. Now we remain with 5. 5 minus 3, 2 minus 5 minus 2 is 3. So it will take 3 hours, 45 minutes. What is the time in 24 clock system? It was daytime. During the time, this time here ni saa 7:30. Saa 7:30 during the day it is 13:30 hour. Ingekuwa ni usiku, this is correct for usiku. Timothy drew some angles. He compared other angles using a right angle triangle cut out. He noted that some angles were greater than the right angle but less than an angle on a straight line. Angles on a straight line, they add up to 180. So here the angles were less than 180 but greater than 90. So angles, what is the name given to such angles? That one is straight angle, this is 180. Reflex, this is angles greater than 90 but less than 180. So the answer is B. This one angles greater than 180. Greater than 180. This is an angles less than 90. Acute angles are angles less than 90. Obtuse, reflex, no. Reflex angles, these are angles greater than 180. Obtuse angles, angles greater than 90. Greater than 90, but less than 180. Acute angles, angles less than 90. So the answer is C, obtuse angles. A self-help group collected the following: 2 tons 20 kilograms of waste. So the question, how many kilograms altogether means we add. So 2, 3, 4. This is tons. Kilograms, we have 200, 400, 350. So you add everything, this is 950. This is 5, 9. So it will be 9 tons and these kilograms. The water had a metal bar of length this. We carry this bar. What length of the metal bar remained? So we can now change this one to be one uniform. Let us make all of that to be in millimeters. So 93 centimeters times 10, that will be 930 plus 3, that is 933 millimeters. What about this one? This one is 850 millimeters plus 6, so it is 856 millimeters. So subtract and we get the answer. 13 minus 6, we borrow 1 from here to make it 13, 7. 12 minus, so borrow 1 from here, make this 12, 12 minus, this is 7. So 7 millimeters. 7 millimeters is same as 7 centimeters and 7 millimeters. Louis and her daughter Beatrice fetched a total of 16 of water, jerrycans of water from a river. Louis fetched 4 more jerrycans of water than Beatrice. Let the number of jerrycans that Beatrice fetched be X. Which of the expression? So Beatrice X. Louis and her daughter Beatrice. Yes, Beatrice and then Louis. It is 4 plus X. But the total equal to 16. So it is X plus 4, which is equal to 16. Jane picked an empty packet of milk. She observed 4 pieces. How many edges? So an empty milk looks like this. So how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the packet of milk has got 6 edges. How many vertices? Vertices is 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. How many faces? 4 faces. Abdul drew an isosceles. Drew an isosceles triangle. Which of the following statement is correct property of a triangle he drew? So an isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. The base angles are also equal. This angle and these angles are equal. It has 4 sides, no. 2 sides are parallel, no. 2 angles are equal, yes. 4 sides were equal, no. So the answer is 20. A tourist company carried learners using 2 buses and several vans to get back. The number of buses and vans were less than 8. Let the number of vans be x. So that means it will be 2 buses plus x vans will be less than 8 in total. The carpenter joined the pieces of wood to make a door. Which one of them are perpendicular? So for them to be perpendicular, they must have a straight line, so they must form 90 degrees. So those are perpendicular. So the one that are perpendicular here is M and O. M, which comes like this, and the O, which is this, so it forms 90 degrees. So M and O are perpendicular. So P and Q, they are parallel. This and this, they are parallel. So next time you will be asking which one are parallel. I have shown you those that are parallel. A nurse in a clinic recorded the number of children vaccinated between Monday and Friday. What is the difference between the highest and the lowest number of children vaccinated? So highest, it is on Thursday, and that is 20. Lowest is on Monday and Wednesday, which is 5. And that's 5. The answer is 15. That is the difference. The security officer in a school recorded the models of transport used by runners while arriving at school in the morning. The table of zero. So this is the 30. This 30 contains 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. So this is 14. This one is 5 plus 5, 10, 11. This one is 11. So matatu wa 11, school bus 15, bicycle 13, motorbike 14. What is the least popular yenye kutumika sana? Least popular ni matatu ambayo ni 12. 11. Thank you very much. Subscribe, share. Let's meet next in the next video.